Do you want a free shirt? Do you want to be like this guy? You're totally in luck. Oh yeah. Well, you're in luck. As I just said it again. What's up, YouTube? It's Tomas Gaming. Right now, I'm showing you how to make a free Roblox shirt. Now, this is not really my channel. I'm just doing an expression. Not expression, actually, but I'm showing you. So I want you to subscribe, like, turn on our notifications. You don't have to leave a comment. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, I am going to show you how to make it right now. So first of all, open your Roblox page just right now. Do it in 3, 2, I don't know. I don't care. Now what you're going to do is go to the catalog and find this. Well, not I'm kidding. Sorry. This Jurassic World t-shirt. Shirt. I want you to buy it. Then you get that. Then you can get any of these. I recommend this one because it's Supreme. We all like Supreme. I never did Ghost PNG, so let me do one more time. Then what we're going to do is save the one you want, like save as. I'm doing Ghost PNG for an example. Press this button. Oh, I already have Ghost. Well, Ghost 2. Mom! I didn't pause. You gotta press create if you're in 2019. Then press t-shirts. I made a lot of t-shirts since the day I joined Real Zeph. T-shirt, this one. This is the first shirt I made. Turned out good. Then find Ghost or Ghost 2, whatever you named it. I recommend. Yeah. Ghost 2. I'm stealing. Well, not really. I'm actually not stealing it. Roblox, if you're watching this, I'm not stealing. Then, if you already made the shirt, go to your avatar. Then put in the Ghost or Supreme, whatever you picked. Then you see, look. This is what it will look like. See, it looks exactly the same. So you can make t-shirts without Builders Club. I think it is possible. Anyway, well, I can't. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I looked away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment that says I subscribed, or just don't leave a comment if you don't want to make a comment. So goodbye, everybody.